Hi, we're back. This is my sister Kirsty. Isn't she cute?
Hello.
She got a bun in the oven. She's going to be the camera woman today because we need her help. Kiki, what do we have today?
We have microwaveable eyebrow, face, and lip wax kit.
And this wax kit comes from Caitlin Gearhart in Augusta, Maine. Fun fact, Caitlin and I have been best friends since we were 5 years old. And I'm 32 now, so you do the math. I don't know. So I'm bad at math. But yeah. Thanks, Caitlin. Here we go. So it's microwaveable. And it's made by Sally Hansen. Oh. Okay.
Oh, that was actual like wax.
Oh, okay.
Oh shoot!
That's what it looks like.
Let me touch that stuff for you. Heat it up. I never touched it. Like, so it's like harder than actual wax. Okay.
It's wax.
But it's like harder than it because usually I can put it
Okay.
down.
And we got lotion and a spatula to like smear. All right, how long do we cook it for?
It doesn't even smell like anything.
It's wax.
I know, but you figured it had some kind of like beauty fragrance.
Okay,
It's
directions. It says shake well.
That was supposed to be shook here.
It says to shake well.
I guess after you heat it up. Or this.
Do not use more than 3 to 4 times daily.
Aftercare. Better not burn my face. Our microwave's pretty powerful.
I know it. No, that's a guide.
That's a guide. It's a sticker. I thought that's the thing you put the stuff on and peel it off. So what peels off then?
No, that's like you put this on your eyebrow and then you put the wax around it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So then the wax. So what peels the wax off? Isn't there like a piece of paper they stick on it to peel off the wax?
No, this wax. You don't need it. It's like a hard wax, so it dries hard and you just yank it off.
Okay.
Remove lid from jar. Make sure jar is free from any metal or paper tags. Place on microwavable plate. Microwave jar for 90 seconds.
Jesus Christ.
Until wax is soft. Do not exceed 2 minutes. Let jar stand in microwave for 1 minute to cool before removing. This is 90 seconds.
That shit's gonna be dangerously hot.
Uh-oh. Okay. This is 3 minutes.
So it's not supposed to look like that.
So looks like we're gonna have to do it a little bit more. Okay, this is 4 minutes. Wait, was that 4 or 5? 4. My camera woman's telling me that it's 4. It's not ready yet.
There's something wrong with this.
It's not. Oh my God. So our microwave just fucking died because of this. So, oh no.
Great.
Oh my God. So luckily my parents live right next door, so we're gonna go Shanghai their microwave. Okay, so our microwave fucking shorted out, so we need to borrow your microwave, please. Yeah. So can we borrow your microwave?
Yep.
Now she's cooking. This is what happens when you have a microwave that isn't shit. That's really, really waxy.
Is it ready?
I think it's Jared ready. I think this is mustache quality. Let's go wax his mustache.
All right.
Yeah, I'm good.
You're
The
good?
burn will be fucking hot. It's all lit. Hurry up before it solidifies. And by the way, you broke our microwave. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe you should sit down so I can have a better angle.
What are you doing?
I've wanted to wax you for 13 years, so this
That doesn't even make sense.
It does a little bit, it really does. Oh, we're over here now?
You told me to sit down.
Okay, go ahead.
It's like caramel. I want to eat that now.
I'd put your tongue away.
Better not be hot, boy. Is it?
Is it?
Okay, it's fine. Looks like
I mean, it's not that bad.
Here, come on, let's go. Here.
Would you stop moving?
Feels nice. Okay, you get the middle. I want the whole thing. Might as well. Look it.
I will get the middle, but you got to do the ends first and then do the middle.
I want it all at once.
Okay, well, hey,
Ooh.
it's this.
The middle part hurts a lot.
All right,
Oh, I know.
he just don't know. He just don't know.
You're gonna start tearing up.
I am so happy right now. You're using like the whole thing. Don't move. Don't roll your eyes at me.
You broke the microwave. I'm rolling my eyes at you.
You want to do your nose hairs too?
No, you ain't doing my nose hairs. They're fine. Did you get the middle part?
I got the middle part.
I want it all one piece.
I got the middle part. Well, I got to do this part, then this part.
You're not doing it.
Who is?
I am.
No, I am.
I'm tearing this shit. Don't smile.
Don't smile.
I'm trying not to
You each do
smile.
one.
Hogan, brother.
Ooh, okay. I can't smile. Don't make me smile. I want to mess it up.
Listen up, brother.
Something wrong with you.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
How do I hold my lip like this? Or just sit here? I don't want it to go like, and then go like, my whole fucking mouth.
No, you're supposed to hold it. You're supposed
So I
to
go. How do I have to hold my? I don't want you to rip my lip off. I just want the hair gone. Which side are you? Oh, you think I'm shit? We gotta learn where I come from. Go ahead, rip the shit off.
Ready? 1, 2. Oh my god!
Wow! Holy crap! This looks like look at it! It looks like an alien.
Show them that.
It looks like alien grass. Oh, well, left eye's harder than living. It's not that bad though. But so this is all the hair and all the roots it pulls out.
Yeah.
This isn't dangerous, you know, just ripping shit.
What is
It's
it
not
like
gonna
now?
not gonna bleed or nothing, is it?
It got a lot of it.
It did, yeah.
I would hope so. You got it all on there.
What's the What are you doing?
Just rip it. What? I'm getting ready. What is going on? What are you doing? You gonna peel this shit off where it gets too hard and take some skin with it? Shit.
I can see it.
I'm ready to go. God, here, just
I'm gonna piss myself.
don't piss yourself.
I'm gonna drink.
What is going on? What is so funny? Get this shit off my face. What is going on?
Okay, you keep.
What are you waxing, by the way?
Just rip it. Just rip it.
1, 2.
Go.
Oh, okay, that one hurt. Oh, that one hurt. That one did hurt.
I felt every hair pull out of your lip.
Let me see it.
So did I. Whew, that one really got a lot. That felt like that was a lot, because
Oh my god. You all right?
That one, the left side, I don't know why the left side didn't hurt as much as this one.
Now you look like an old man.
This is nice.
All gray.
It's not like I just got my hair braided. That's what this smells like. Now I gotta go shave the remnants off because there's still hair on my face, isn't there?
Asked why porn stars wax their ass crack?
No, I asked how they do it. This shit hurts up here. So when you're waxing down there,
We can heat up the wax for you. We can try it really quick
I'm
if
not
you
a
want.
porn star and have no desire to be one. But what I'm saying is that's gotta be painful. Pulling wax off of your ass crack. All right? The whole area, screw it. I know how sensitive it is down there, so you pulling hair off of it, and this shit's sticking to your skin, too. It doesn't... Oh, my God, dude.
How did the lotion feel?
Oh, that actually smelled really good.
But how did it feel when you put it on? Was it nice? Was it smooth? Did
Yeah,
it burn?
smooth, nice. Kind of oily. No, it didn't burn. It was oily, though.
So it was like a calming,
Yes.
soothing,
Yes.
buttery.
But it was buttery. Yeah. My shit looks fucked up. What? Hold on. Oh my God, I gotta shave the rest now. I can't go into work looking like this.
All right, so what do you give it?
I'd say I'd give this one an A. It was actually quite fun. But I gotta fix this. This looks retarded.
I don't think it's meant for a mustache that thick.
I don't even have that thick of a mustache.
Thank you again, Caitlin, for sending this. I appreciate it. We appreciate it.
Goodbye. Oh no, this shit fucking hurts.
Say it.
I ain't gonna even
Say
lie.
it. Do an Arnold voice. Say until next time.
Until next time. Goodbye, everybody.